secret history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city. That went from the other country, Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabo, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, famous of its sugar, coconut and corn. Cebu, Mactan, Madawi, Bohol, Samarlete, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambangabuton, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi, Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.